Now, today's math lesson in Module 2 is Lesson 15. The goal of the lesson is to add measurements using the standard algorithm to compose larger units once. So the method the students learned today is when adding these two measurements together, if you look at the first number, you decide how many numbers or how close that is to a nice round number. Well, 75 is pretty close to 80. So if we're going to get 75 to 80, we got to add 5 to it. So you always break down the second number. And since we need a 5 to make 80, let's break this up as to 5 and 2. So now we take that 75, we add it to this 5, we show our work, and you get 80. You take what's left, this 2, and you do 80 plus 2. Oops. Sorry. 80 plus 2. And your final answer would be 82 centimeters. That's the algorithm or the method that we learned today in terms of adding two-digit numbers. And even some three-digit numbers you could also do that as. So that's 1A from their homework and lesson 15, and that's how we learned it today.